Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and manage the property database. If your business operates across multiple properties, for example, a retailer, an educational facility, a property developer, or any other landlord, we've designed the property module to create full visibility of your properties and project activity across your entire estate. When you click on the properties icon, you're taken to a summary view of your estate. In this example, I've added 7 properties for illustration. In this view, you can create the fields that are relevant to you through the Manage section, select Property, and make sure Fields is selected. These are the fields we saw on the summary view earlier, but we can add or amend from here. I'm going to add a new field called Maintenance Contractor by selecting the plus button. You have several field options to select from. So now I'm going to create a text field. Shift your new field into the correct position for your estate view. Then go back to Properties and you'll see your new field placed accordingly. You have the ability to search and filter in this view. So, for example, if you wanted to see all of your high street branches, then your list configures to suit. Or, if an area manager only wanted to view their properties, they can do so. By clicking into a property, you get all the information for that property on a single page view. You can upload images for your property and view them as a slideshow. You can also upload documents specific to that property, such as site drawings, lease agreements, contracts, H&S files, and so on. You can design your own databases with click and drag layout functionality. You can also create property widgets for contact details, lease agreements, rent, break clauses, landlord details, compliance checklist, and operating costs, just to give a few examples, plus any other relevant information you may need to hold. Any projects against this property are presented here to give visibility of impending activity and an audit trail of historical projects. I can assign my project to a property to show where it's taking place. Then revisit my property to see the allocated project amongst any others in that location. You can move and resize the widgets to suit your preferred layout. Your widgets are easily created in the Manage section, then select Grids. I'll create a new widget so you can see just how simple it is to set up and manage your database. Select the plus button to add a new widget. I'll call this one Planned Preventative Maintenance and create my new fields. I can then reorder my fields to suit and select Submit. I then go into one of my property records, find my PPM widget, and hit the plus button to create my new record. The status can be driven dynamically from the due date. If a due date has passed with no actual date added, the status will appear in red with a notification being sent to relevant property managers and maintenance contractors. In order to consolidate and cleanse your data, you can gather all the information currently spread across various databases, spreadsheets, and folders and put them all into a single personalized property database with downwards and upwards trust in the data.